Changing the email link to your PayPal account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and log in using your current email address and password. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on the gear icon or settings option located at the top right corner of the page to access your account settings. Step 3. Select email addresses. In the Settings menu, find and select the Email or Email Addresses section to view the email addresses associated with your account. Step 4. Add a new email address. Click on the option to add a new email address. Enter the new email address you wish to link to your PayPal account and follow the prompts to confirm it. Step 5. Set as primary and remove old email. After adding the new email, set it as your primary email address. If you want to remove the old email, select it and choose the option to delete or remove it from your account. Once you've completed these steps, your PayPal account will be updated with the new email address. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from PayPal.